Welcome to 200forexpips.com, and guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the technical analysis for gold. So guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it, because you know that I provide the technical analysis on the major currency pairs as well as including commodity section gold. So guys, must subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button so that you can get the notification from my side whenever I post the video. Okay, now let's talk about the gold. Okay, first of all, look at here. We have a strong upward pattern here. You can say that on from 22nd of March, we have seen that gold has started to go up. Okay, yesterday we have a drop on gold, and the gold was back into 13-12 levels. But now guys, it was basically, you can say that this was just a correction that gold was making on that time. So now onward, if we talk about this momentum, then first of all, let's consult the trading system. So guys, as per the trading system, you can see that this was the oversold levels, and we are getting three bullish signs from the scalper, and the gold is started to go into the upward momentum. So I'm looking the things to be bullish on gold, and if we look at the price action monitor, it's also giving us a red signal. Now let's test the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart candle has also pumped so much good, and hopefully it will break 23.6 level of Fibonacci, and if this level is break, then definitely it will be again testing the 1324 levels tomorrow. Okay, now let's talk about the daily candle. Today's, as you know, that we have seen the downward trend on the gold, but if you look at here, then it has tested the 38.2 Fibonacci level, and after that the candle is boost up a little. But if you look at the weekly candle, then you can guys clearly see that the weekly candle was started in a very nice way, and then it was pumped up to here, and now the candle is pushed back here. So guys, in the next coming days, I am again looking that the candle will be we should be up as per the technical analysis, because if you look at here, if you look at this gap shows that 61.8 level was break by the Fibonacci, and the market is still staying above 61.8 level. So definite bullish signs are coming here. So again, I can say that maybe the gold can retest 1346. So overall guys, I am bullish on gold, so you need to keep your eyes open on gold. If gold starts to gain a bullish momentum, then definitely we are looking into the upward pressure on the basis of the weekly, 4-hour, and as not on the basis of the daily chart, but on the basis of the weekly chart. I am expecting that gold should make some good recovery, and it will again retest the levels 1324 or 1340, something like this. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to subscribe to daily Telegram signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that I have just discussed in my video, like sell in the top red boundary and buy whenever you see that the market is making the bullish momentum from the lower red boundary. When price monitor gives the green signal, it means the time to buy, and when it gives the red signal, then it means that this is the time to sell. So if you want to get these indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Dear traders, please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.